How to change profile picture on Discord. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The first step is you need to open up Discord application on your device. And you need to log into your account. If you have trouble logging into your account, then you can watch my previous video on how to log into Discord account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface. So in order to change your profile picture, you need to go to your account. For that, you have to tap on the profile option at the right bottom corner. And here you need to simply tap on your profile. Once you tap on that, you will be able to see all of your account information. And for changing your profile picture, you need to tap on the pencil-like option, which is at the right hand side of your profile picture. Once you do that, an option will be popped up at the lower button. You have to go for change avatar option at the first. And here are two options, which are gallery and photos. You have to choose whether you want to select the picture from gallery or photos. And after that, you have to choose the item that you want to set. And once you select, you can edit over here. Once you're done, you have to tap on the tick option at the right upper corner. And after that, you have to tap on the save option at the right upper corner. And by doing that, you can see my account profile picture has been changed. So this is how you change profile picture on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.